Hey, it's another video from Cell Trout. Here is the Pulse R71 fully automatic plastic airsoft gun. This is not one of the better guns. I believe it's 200 FPS, and it's fun for warring, but it doesn't have so much power. This is actually the battery, which is a little strange, but you plug it in. See down here, there's a little hole. You plug in the charger. Goes right here. So now, the BBs go up here in what would look like a scope, but it's not a scope. It's for holding the BBs. You put them on there. Comes with 2 attachments. All right. Comes with the removable stock. These are very easy to put on. Just pop it in, slide it down. It's good. And this muzzle that really you just screw on. I always use the stock. Not always use the muzzle. It doesn't really do anything, just for looks, really. So it obviously got larger. So it can be like this, full. It has 4 different formations it can be in. It can be like this. And then, it can be the classic MP5, or only put the muzzle on. I never use it this way, but it can go like that. So, alright, now for the test firing. Alright, I'm going to use all of the attachments. I bought this gun at Walmart for, I think, $40. And, so it's cheap. I think it's worth what I bought it for. It has semi-automatic and fully automatic. So, here's semi. And full. So there's test firing. This gun does not have a hop up, and does come with a strap. But so it's good. It's an okay gun. I would give it like a 3 out of 5 stars. It's average. Because of its low FPS, it's not one of the best guns you can buy, but it's pretty good. So there's the Pulse R71 Airsoft.